Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see an unboxing of a truly wireless earbuds from the brand Boat. My friend bought it, so let him unbox it. Without wasting time, let's get started. Hey friends, now we are with my friend. Introduce yourself.
Hey friends, my name is Akshay and I'm Adi friend.
And now let's come on to the topic. This is a TWS from the brand Boat. And let's open it. The case is magnetic, and the left one is for the left ear, and the right one is for the right ear. And now let's connect this to the phone. Hey friends, now we connected this earbuds to Bluetooth, and the audio which you hear is recorded to this earbuds.
Friends, text in the comment section how was the audio clarity. The fitting of this earbud is really good, and when you shake your head it doesn't fall off from your ears, and mainly it has IPX4 rating, so that when water droplets or your body sweat falls on it, the product does not get any damage. This case has about 450 mAh battery, and in the company site they said that you can continuously use these earbuds for about 6 to 8 hours. This case has an USB Type-C charging port.
These earbuds have a range of about 10 meters Bluetooth connectivity, and now I connected both the earbuds. If you want to use a single earbud, just take one off and put it inside the case. Now let's talk about the audio quality of this. The bass, the middle and the treble, all the three are perfect, and it is a valuable thing in this price segment.
Both the earbuds and the case have magnet, so when you place the earbuds in the case, it gets pulled by the magnet and perfectly it gets locked. Once it is locked perfectly, the earbuds gets charged. Hey guys, now we came to the end of the video. After a week, he will give a full detailed review of these earbuds. Yes friends, surely after a week I will give a full review about my earbuds, how is the audio quality and each and everything to you. Thank you friends. And let's finish the video. Let's see in the next video guys. Thank you.